According to the modern medicine, exogenous assistance is an effective method of activating viability of DNA, thus restoring endogenous ability of the cells for self-rehabilitation. Eagle Eye View. Gathering many scientific experts, we had developed 3 innovative plaque technology of anti-aging, which provides abundant nutrients and revitalize ophthalmic cells through external skincare, based on application of peptide chain technology and anti-aging technology. Eagle Eye View provides sufficient nutrients for eye cells, activating the cells. Eagle Eye View, targeted active on the cells and muscle groups which control deformation of the crystalline lens. It promotes blood microcirculation of eye area, activates visual cells in the optic nerve function, therefore improve dynamic of the eyes. Eagle Eye View improves visual sensitivity, helps to prevent juvenile myopia, quickly relieve eye discomfort such as dry eyes, astringent eyes, and sore eye, etc. simply by dropping, applying, and dressing. Eagle Eye View will refresh your eyes as new and make your eye view clearer as more as you use it. For those people who may overuse their eyes, for example, students, office workers, game and online shopping enthusiasts, as well as elderly people with eye discomforts caused by aging, Eagle Eye View is always your best companion for personal eye care. Eagle Eye View. Crystal clear, beautiful vision.
Hai Sheng and New Vision of the Future.